classic YouTube banners from scratch, free from watermark. What you are supposed to do is just get into your browser, get back into your Gmail account which you have used to log into Canva. So I have created a comprehensive video showing you how you can log into or how you can sign up into Canva to come up with superb YouTube thumbnails. And now in this video, our focus is coming up with YouTube banners. So you just need to search for Canva, and then hit enter. Then just come into this interface or to this link where we have Canva and hit enter again and log in into Canva since you already have an account. So when we are here, you just need to hit create a design. Then you can come to where we have what do you like to create, or you want to create YouTube banner. So it will predict here. So a YouTube banner, an aesthetic YouTube banner, height is just 2560 by 1440 pixels, an authentic banner. So just hit above it. So this banner is official. So you can either choose to build banner from scratch, or else you can come choose the pre-built banner if you don't want to build it from scratch. And then when you choose the pre-built banner, you can do a bit of readjustment rather than reinventing the wheel. Just delete the image of this individual. So after deleting the image of this individual, I can bring here my YouTube logo. So we have two methods. You can choose to upload or just drag and drop, but I usually prefer drag and drop, so it was here. So it is named Key1, that logo. So you just search it manually and then hit above it. So it have come here. So I don't know if it will be able to fix it here. It already fixed in this box automatically. So I can come here. You just think how we can be able to change this name here. Let us just name it Key1 technology. So here down we instead of finance, we can rename finance to technology academy. So you see, even without doing a lot of adjustment, so here you can adjust. If you don't have a website, you can either choose to put your email address here. Let me put my email address here. This is my official email address, which I'm putting here. So this is my email address. This is just somehow I'm now studying YouTube thumbnail. you can just use this color. This color will somehow look somehow dark. So you can change the background color to either blue. So blue will look somehow epic. You can choose red, though I don't like red, but it is epic. You can see this is an outstanding YouTube banner. So instead of reinventing the wheel, maybe you are not a graphic expert like me. So you just choose the pre-prepared thumbnail, which they are here the design queue, which you can choose. There are multiple here. But having the knowledge, you can be able to do a lot of things. You can add text, you can change the font configuration. Let me show you. These look somehow exaggerated. I don't like it at all. So maybe you can call the no, though this one is also too exaggerated. Let me show you. Just a reserved font. Yeah, this is somehow reserved, but I think the one used the too official. I think the one with the proprietor of these was the best. So it is here, big shoulder. I think it look epic. It's just epic. Then you have created the thumbnail. Now you want it to take it into your laptop for uploading in YouTube and making your YouTube look official and better. You just need to hit share, then click download, and then download the thumbnail. So it will just take less than 10 seconds. You have thumbnail in your computer or your gadget. Then after we can log out from Canva and come into our download. So our thumbnail is here, no watermark, quality, epic point. So I think I will be taking you through how you can put the YouTube banner in your YouTube channel. Since I want to change mine, I think this is epic. I need this thumbnail to be put into my YouTube channel. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can efficiently transfer this banner from your gadget into the YouTube channel. Basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you will not miss out any of my future uploading content like this. Also in the next video, I'll be taking you through how you can come up with epic logo like this from scratch. So as we meet into the next video, I'll be